Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Me Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on the app sound on your Tumblr application on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn on the app sound in your Tumblr app application on your mobile phone. I just going to show in this video. First of all, you just need to click on the setting option on the top. You just go to the setting option. After going to the setting option, you have this first option called account settings. Click on those on the account setting on the first option, and then you just need to have a lot of the more options, right? So you just need to find an option called sound. Oh, it's actually on the top. So in the this option, as I just talking about, click on those, and here you have to select the second option. Actually, it's turned on. It's called app sound. You just talking about. We are just talking about, right? So you just need to turn this on, and you have been enabled the app sound for your Tumblr application. This is how we just go to the setting, go to the app setting, just click on the sounds and just turn on those. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.